Let's talk about a job that starts in the heat of a tropical plantation and ends with the crunch of your favorite snack, the banana chip. Most of us only see the golden, crispy chip, never thinking about its journey. It's a process involving farmers, truck drivers, inspectors, and a fleet of robots in a massive factory. These aren't your breakfast bananas. They're picked green, hard, and starchy, perfect for chips. Timing is everything. From the moment they're cut, it's a race to the factory before they ripen. Truckloads of green bananas rumble down dusty roads to a mega factory, a place where nature meets technology. Inside, it's a world of clanking metal, hissing steam, and whirring belts. Here, a simple fruit transforms into a global snack. The process is both efficient and delicate. We'll pull back the curtain to see how these bananas are checked, washed, peeled, sliced, fried, and seasoned. It's a story of scale, speed, and high-tech precision. Making a banana chip isn't simple. It's a high-tech operation requiring accuracy at every step. By the end, you'll never look at a banana chip the same way. You'll appreciate the work, the science, and even the dirt behind every bite. So let's follow the banana's journey from green fruit to golden chip. Ready? Let's go inside the world of banana chips. The adventure begins now. Our story begins on a sprawling banana plantation, not a backyard garden. Workers rise early to harvest the green gold. Bananas at the perfect stage of unripeness. It's not guesswork. They check size and firmness, blending tradition with modern science. Harvesting is tough. A single bunch can weigh over 45 kilograms. The cutter slices the bunch, while the backer catches it to prevent bruising, essential for perfect chips. It's a coordinated dance of strength and timing. Bunches are carried to a central point, broken into smaller hands for easier transport. Then, they're loaded onto a cableway, a ski lift for bananas, keeping them off the ground and damage-free. At the packing station, bananas get their first wash in large water tanks. Cleaned, they're loaded into crates and onto refrigerated trucks to slow ripening. The goal: keep them green and starchy. These trucks begin a long journey to the mega factory, sometimes hundreds of miles away. The first stage is done. The bananas are on their way to a high-tech transformation. Every step is about speed and care. Only the best bananas make it to the next stage. The plantation's work is finished, but the adventure is just beginning. Next stop, the factory. When trucks arrive at the factory, quality control takes over. Inspectors are the gatekeepers, checking random samples from every shipment. They look for the perfect shade of green, too yellow or too dark, and the batch is rejected. Size and curvature matter. Machines need uniform bananas. Inspectors cut some open to check starch content and texture. They also look for disease, pests, or bruises from transport. Old-school know-how meets modern tech, color charts, penetrometers, and detailed records. If a batch fails, the whole truckload is sent back. Only the best bananas are accepted and moved to a climate-controlled holding area. Here they stay perfectly starchy until needed. This is the last calm moment before the high-speed transformation begins. From now on, it's a non-stop journey through stainless steel machinery. Quality control ensures only top bananas become chips. The green light is given. The transformation is about to begin. Every chip's quality starts here. The next phase, cleaning and peeling. The pressure is on for perfection. Let's see what happens next. The bananas' first stop inside the factory is a powerful washing station. They tumble through industrial washers, blasted by high-pressure jets. Next, they head to the automatic peeler. Robots handle thousands per hour. Blades and rollers pop the bananas from their skins. Peels go to compost, bananas move on. Automation means speed and hygiene, minimizing human contact. After peeling, bananas get a final rinse to remove any residue. They emerge glistening, firm, and ready for transformation. Now they're raw material, prepped for slicing. The dirty work is done with mechanical precision. The stage is set for the slicing symphony. Now the bananas start to look like chips. Peeled bananas travel to industrial slicers, machines engineered for speed and precision. Bananas are aligned perfectly before meeting razor-sharp blades. Each is sliced into uniform discs, thickness controlled to a fraction of a millimeter. Too thick, they're soft. Too thin, they burn. A single machine processes tons of bananas per hour, millions of slices. The starchy green bananas slice cleanly, avoiding mush. Slices form a river on the conveyor, mesmerizing in their uniformity. An optical sorter scans every slice, ejecting imperfect ones with a puff of air. Only perfect slices move on. Quality and speed go hand in hand. Next up, the hot oil bath. Before frying, slices get a quick blanch in hot water or steam. This removes excess starch and deactivates enzymes, keeping chips golden and separate. Slices are dried with vibrating screens and air blowers, no wet chips in hot oil. Then, into the continuous fryer, a massive trough of hot oil, precisely controlled. Slices drop in, paddles keep them moving, and the system is enclosed for safety. Water boils away, starch expands, sugars caramelize, chips turn golden and crispy. Sensors monitor oil temperature and chip color, adjusting automatically for perfection. The whole process takes just minutes. Every chip is fried to a perfect crunch. Technology ensures consistency, batch after batch. The chips are ready for seasoning. Out of the fryer, chips are hot and glistening with oil. They're shaken on screens to remove excess oil, crucial for taste and texture. Next, the chips enter a giant seasoning tumbler like a stainless steel cement mixer. Seasoning powder is sprinkled as chips tumble, sticking evenly thanks to their warmth. Food scientists create secret blends, sea salt, chili, barbecue, and more. Automated systems switch flavors quickly and control the exact amount of seasoning. Too little is bland, too much is overpowering. Precision is key. Every chip gets a consistent coating from first to last. Modern tech guarantees flavor uniformity. After seasoning, the chips are ready for cooling and packaging. The magic of flavor happens here. Next, the final stretch. Seasoned chips are still warm. If bagged now, they'd turn soggy. So they travel through a cooling tunnel, fans gently bringing them to room temperature. This locks in crispiness and preps them for bagging. Cooled chips face a final inspection. Human and machine eyes catch any flaws. Only the best move on to packaging. Automation takes over. Chips go up a bucket elevator to a multi-head weigher. The machine calculates the perfect portion for each bag, down to a single chip. Chips drop into bags formed from printed film, filled and sealed with a puff of nitrogen. Nitrogen keeps chips fresh and crunchy for months, preventing spoilage and crushing. Bags are stamped with a best before date and sent for boxing. Every step is about freshness and precision. The chips are almost ready for the world. Let's see how they get there. The final stage is secondary packaging. Robotic arms pack sealed bags into boxes which are taped, labeled, and stacked on pallets. Pallets move to a vast, organized warehouse tracked by computer systems. Orders trigger the system to pick the right pallets, ensuring freshness with first in, first out. From the warehouse, chips travel by truck, train, or ship, sometimes across continents. Barcodes track every step, from factory to supermarket shelf. It's a global logistics dance, powered by technology. So, next time you open a bag, remember the journey from green fruit to crispy snack. Technology and innovation make it all possible. It's a clever, delicious job, delivering crunchy happiness worldwide.